So it's happened, it's gonna happen. Look at the room, amazing. And you know what? We're gonna fix it up and make it look really good. So, I mean, here we're doing this, over here we're gonna do this, and all that. Howdy folks, this is Grant. I'm in beautiful Bali, first time ever, and I'm at the Sofitel Nusa Dua, and I'm traveling with my wife and daughter. And the reason why we're here is because at the building, at the office, we're getting renovations, and our builder actually specifically told the major team of ours to chuff off leave the country, so leave him to work in peace. So my brother and my sister have traveled to Germany, to Cologne. Well, me, choose a bit apart from them, so I want to go for something a bit more tropical. For all those who know me, I like to go somewhere tropical, nice and relaxing. Bit of humidity, bit of beach, bit of pool, bit of cold drinks. That's my style. So, just doing a few renovations at the office, and this is what we did the night before we left. Howdy folks, what's happening now is we are all moving shop because we are renovating. Are 96? Right? So this is actually Amy's room. So Amy's room is all bare. They're all working hard to fix it up. This looks good. It's all bare, so let's have a look at the other rooms. Amy at the natural foot dog. Oh, natural dog.
Natural dog.
Natural dog. Everyone's rooms all looking good. I'm on the shot. Okay, great. And here's Mum. How's your mate? Hi, Mum. So we're gonna renovate. We had the new security cameras put in. There, looks good. I'll walk into the chiropractor's room. Just no suit and tie on, just relaxed, fatigued.
After a long day.
All this stuff to move out, and all these pictures that come down.
After a long Saturday.
Long Saturday.
It feels good.
Hey, is that my shoehorn? Okay. And guess what? Because I'm too busy filming, my room still looks atrocious. Look, I'm still doing paperwork. I'll be here all night. So, what's happening here, folks, is we are going to fix all the walls. So all these walls will be coming down, and we're going to repaint and soundproof the walls a bit. And yeah, major renovation, and should be good. So all this will be all changed, maybe a different color perhaps, but can't promise anything. So it will be interesting to see what the change would be. I'll catch you when the renovation's done. So let me explain a bit better what on earth is happening to the office. We are getting new security cameras. The old ones have been awful, and now we're employing new ones. So we are watching you. I'm joking. And the next thing we're going to do is we're having our builder Joe, who's coming in to break down the walls, put up new ones, insulate them so they're soundproof and holds temperature better. Most importantly, audio will be better. As well as that, fresh coat of paint. My door needs to be fixed. It's a small revamp, but had to be done. But you know, it gave us a good excuse for the three of us to all travel away, which would be great. Over the next couple of days, I'm going to make some video content. Did you know's back? Words of a day will be back. These are all on Instagram, by the way, so follow me here. As well as that, I'll be releasing new videos on new content while on location in Bali, so I hope you enjoy the next couple of days because I'll show you through the lens. Remember folks, walk smarter, not harder. I will be too, after a few drinks.